Hello, and welcome to the University of the Pacific's Hearing and Balance Center. My name is Dr. Julia Chung, and I am the director of the clinic. We're so excited to have you join us today for this virtual clinic tour. At Pacific, we're proud to provide comprehensive, hands-on clinical training for students while also serving our community with excellence in hearing and balance care. Our students gain real experience with patients starting in their very first year, guided by a team of passionate faculty and clinicians. Our team is passionate about mentoring the next generation of audiologists, and we're especially proud that two of our current assistant clinical professors are alumni of the program, Dr. Melanie Rosenblatt and Dr. Natalie Grigsby. This is our reception area where patients are welcome for care. It's also the first touch point where students begin learning the importance of professionalism, communication, and compassionate interaction. We have 4 sound-treated booths where students perform audiological evaluations, including pure tone testing, tympanometry, otoacoustic emissions assessment, and more. Students start in the clinic on day 2 of the program and gradually transition into leading assessments with supervision. We guide them through interpreting results, developing treatment plans, and communicating those findings clearly with patients and families. We also have 4 hearing aid rooms where students learn to fit, program, and fine-tune hearing aids. They work directly with patients using real ear verification and counseling strategies. It's not just about programming a device, it's about understanding a person's lifestyle, communication needs, and what success means to them. Our vestibular lab provides students access to advanced diagnostic tools, including video nystagmography and rotary chair, to assess patients for inner ear balance problems. This hands-on experience in balance care is a key strength of our program. Students really rise to the challenge here. They develop their analytical thinking and clinical confidence, and they learn how to evaluate the whole person, not just the symptoms. We also have a dedicated room for auditory brainstem response testing, where students learn to assess neural pathways in patients with complex diagnostic needs from infants to adults. In addition to seeing patients, our students participate in screenings, public presentations, and outreach in underserved communities. These experiences shape not only their clinical skills, but also their commitment to service. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to welcoming you into our Pacific family soon.